Hi, we're excited to share a new feature from Happy Numbers, Fact Fluency. In this video, we'll walk you through the concept, showcase some engaging fluency games, and explain how our reporting system works. During the math journey, students work a lot on building a deep conceptual understanding. They begin with hands-on activities using concrete objects, then transition to pictorial models, and finish their way by solving the abstract examples. While the methodology employed by teachers and Happy Numbers effectively fosters conceptual understanding, there are instances when students struggle with new topics. This often occurs because they haven't achieved fluency in previous skills, leading them to spend excessive time on familiar examples, as in our example. When students haven't yet developed fluency with addition within 10, they may struggle to solve addition problems within 20. To support our teachers and students in overcoming these hurdles, we are thrilled to introduce the Fact Fluency feature. We believe in striking a balance between educational exercises and fact fluency games. While our course is designed to build deep conceptual understanding, Fact Fluency serves as a valuable complement to enhance learning outcomes. Here's how this feature fits into the educational journey. After students take a placement test, we build an individual learning path that includes both educational exercises and fluency practice. Then they start a weekly educational cycle. After 15 minutes of educational activities, students will spend 2 minutes on targeted fluency games that address their specific needs. After another 15-minute block, they receive another 2-minute fluency session. Once they reach their weekly target, they unlock a 5-minute fluency round. This rhythm continues, with fluency practice available every 15 minutes of educational tasks throughout the week until Sunday. Every Monday, everything starts over again. It's essential for us that students complete their current educational tasks without interruption. If a student is still working on a task after 15 minutes, we will wait for them to finish before starting the fluency game. It's important to know that if a student spends less than 15 minutes on the Happy Numbers curriculum, we won't automatically assign additional fluency practice. Our research shows that in cases of low usage, curriculum progression is more important than any additional exercises, such as assignments or fluency practice. In the future, we plan to add an option for teachers to assign fluency practice if they wish to include it in cases of low usage. We arrived at this solution because fluency will be part of the Happy Numbers ecosystem, including assessments, assignments, and printables. The perfect way to use Happy Numbers is to take 3 assessments per year to create and adjust the individual pathway and measure math growth. Reach the weekly target to perfectly balance educational and fluency practice. Add 1 to 2 assignments per month to strengthen weak skills. Use Happy Numbers printables to enrich the student experience and support digital balance. However, in cases where students can't spend the recommended time on Happy Numbers, the core component, the individual learning path, is more important than other add-ons. This balance between all parts of the product and a new fluency add-on allows us to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. On the one hand, Fact Fluency enables students to take a break and minimize fatigue from product usage. On the other hand, this balance, 30 minutes of education followed by 7 minutes of fluency, improves their accuracy and speed of learning by 12.5%. With Happy Numbers Fact Fluency, students cover more skills simultaneously with higher accuracy. This improvement is reflected in the results at the end of the year. We expect that using the Fact Fluency feature will further increase end-of-year assessment results, while using Happy Numbers alone increases scores by 20%. Incorporating Fact Fluency adds 10%. This can be achieved by spending the same time as before, 45 to 50 minutes per week, just with the improved version of Happy Numbers, which utilizes the Fact Fluency feature. Let's look at how our fluency feature looks on the student side. Students will have fluency practice if they are working at a first grade level or higher. Everything is set up in advance and tailored to each student's needs to save teachers time. Students begin their fluency journey at a basic level, focusing on accuracy rather than speed. There's no time pressure here. Once students show confidence at this level and master all the facts regarding the topic, they move on to fact fluency with gentle time limits. For example, students have 10 seconds to solve each fact to feed their pet. If they don't finish in time, there's no penalty. The pet just takes a nap. Happy Numbers aims to minimize stress while fostering mastery in both accuracy and speed. If some facts weren't answered correctly and quickly enough in a level with gentle time limits, students return to a more basic level to review only these weaker facts, focusing purely on accuracy. The Number Gym is a chance to strengthen specific skills before they're reintroduced in timed practice, making the path to fluency more supportive and personalized. We only advance students to new fluency topics when we are confident they are ready, ensuring a strong understanding before progressing. To move forward, we consider two factors: the level of mastery of the current fluency topic, including accuracy and time, and readiness for the next one. For example, if a second grader has already mastered addition and subtraction facts but has not yet learned multiplication, they will review a mix of facts they have already mastered until they cover multiplication in our curriculum. On the teacher's side, we provide comprehensive class reports detailing each student's progress in mastering facts. Within each domain, you can see a breakdown by skill. Our intervention alerts notify you if a student spends too much time on a particular topic without achieving mastery. For even more detailed insights, we offer individual student reports that highlight performance on specific facts. As fluency is part of the Happy Numbers ecosystem, fluency reports are also a component of our reporting system that allows you to track your students' progress continuously throughout the year. Assessment reports enable you to measure growth in Happy Numbers scores, while skill reports show progression on particular skills. Fluency reports show progress on specific facts, and this progression is also included in the skill report calculation of the level of mastery. Happy Numbers Fluency is an efficient and engaging way for students to enhance their math skills through two-leveled exercises tailored to their needs. With everything set up automatically, teachers can save valuable time while still providing personalized learning experiences. Our clear reporting system allows educators to easily track student progress and identify areas for improvement. By using this innovative approach to math fluency, you can help your students achieve great results by the end of the year. Try Happy Numbers Fluency today and watch your students thrive.